Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. So the technical indicator video I just did on US Steel, it says that the stock should be moving higher this week. So what I want to do is sell a put, not a call. So you can see here from the stochastic, you can see it moving higher, so that's a good thing. You can see it's been kind of moving in a sideways range for a little while, for the last month or so. So let's go over the options. So let's look at the put. Alright, you can see the skew. It looks like it's going to be moving higher just because of the option skew. Now, let's look at 1 week. 1 week would be 50 cents. 2 weeks would be $1, basically. 3 weeks would be $1.50. Pretty reasonable linear relationship. And that's where it falls off the rails. So I'm going to go with probably this 2 week option. And I'm going to sell options here. It says 47%, but this stock's been pretty volatile, so I'm going to go 24.5 just to capitalize on this. A-Rourke here is, I do that 26 times a year, about 100%, so that's pretty good. Alright, so let's trade. I'm going to do 2, and be too greedy, and I'm going to sell to open. Break even is at 23.46. It's reasonable, okay. Let's view the order. Alright, looks good. It was filled. So let's go back and look at the positions. Currently we have 700 shares. Pretty good return on them so far, plus all the option return that I have. Alright, so it looks good. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think. It's pretty close to the strike already. So it'll expire next week. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe for more options trading ideas, wealth building techniques, and of course technical indicators and crypto. Thanks for watching.